राज्यसभा के नवनिर्वाचित सदस्यों को सदन और संसदीय समितियों की कार्यप्रणाली की बेहतर समझ के लिए विस्तृत इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सामग्री दी जाएगी। राज्यसभा टीवी से खास बातचीत में राज्यसभा के महासचिव देश दीपक वर्मा ने ये बात कही। राज्यसभा के लिए चुने गए 61 सदस्यों में से 45 ने 22 जुलाई को शपथ ली है।
राज्यसभा के महासचिव देश दीपक वर्मा ने कहा कि नवनिर्वाचित सदस्यों को सदन के नियमों, प्रक्रियाओं और आचरण के बारे में विस्तृत रूप से बताया जाएगा। शपथ ग्रहण के दौरान भी राज्यसभा के सभापति एम वेंकैया नायडू ने नवनिर्वाचितों से कानून निर्माताओं के रूप में अपने कर्तव्यों का निर्वहन करते हुए सदन के नियमों और प्रक्रियाओं को बनाए रखने का आग्रह किया था।
Oath taking ceremony was unique and first of its kind, and this was to be held during this COVID days, and it was a challenge for the Secretariat. Eventually 45 members came and took oath in the house. The oath was taken inside the house, and every bit of the social distancing norms were followed. The new members are generally very receptive. When they come here, they are initially at least very receptive to whatever is explained to them or whatever is told to them, and therefore the honorable chairman chose this occasion to emphasize upon them that they should believe in not disrupting the house, but in proceeding in participating in the activities of the house. He referred to several publications of the Rajya Sabha to which they should go through. They should also read the debates which have taken place in the house, and also see what the role of the Rajya Sabha is, what the role of Lok Sabha is. They should know everything, and this was actually taken very spiritedly by the members of the house.
राज्यसभा महासचिव ने कहा कि कोविड-19 के मद्देनजर राज्यसभा सचिवालय ने सदस्यों के शपथ ग्रहण समारोह के दौरान खास इंतजाम किए थे, जिसमें सभी आवश्यक नियमों पर विशेष ध्यान दिया गया था।
After oath taking, they used to go around the chairman from his back. First greet him, then go at the back, greet other members, and then sign, and then again greet, and then go to the seats. So this time we sort of requested them not to do this, and so they had to take the oath, greet the chairman from that position itself, sign, and then greet the members from there itself, and then go to their seats. So social distancing norms were followed.
संसद के आगामी मॉनसून सत्र के आयोजन को लेकर राज्यसभा के महासचिव ने बताया कि इस बारे में विचार विमर्श लगातार जारी है। कृति मिश्रा, राज्यसभा टीवी।